There's a
Great left hand by Bradley. Pacquiao's punch in the fight. And another left hook. And he may have hurt Pacquiao. For the first time in their 3 fights together, Bradley has Pacquiao in trouble against the ropes.
To get the momentum back.
Bradley touches the canvas with his glove, and that's a knockdown. And that's going to create a 2-point round for Manny Pacquiao. It looked almost as though Bradley slipped. Hard left hand by Pacquiao.
That hurt Bradley.
Yeah, that's a good fight.
For the second
Lamog na lamog ang inabot ng tinaguriang Desert Storm na si Timothy Bradley nang makaharap nito sa ikatlong pagkakataon ang pinakamabagsik nito na nakalaban sa kanyang boxing career na si Manny Pacquiao.
And now they're chanting Pacquiao, Pacquiao.
April 9, 2016 nang muli magtagpo ang landas nang nooy isa sa mainit na magkaribal sa boxing na sina Manny Pacquiao at Timothy Bradley. Nagumpisa ang rivalry ng dalawa ng talunin ni Bradley si Pacquiao na nooy may hawak ng WBO welterweight title sa isang kontrobersyal na desisyon kung saan ikinagalit ito ng buong mundo.
The last 2 rounds, he's trying to predict the way that Bradley's head is and trying to catch him with a left
And he's
hook.
predicting it pretty well right now. This is a Pacquiao flurry. The right hook lands.
Well, he's moving his head now to survive. Because he's hurt. He was badly wobbled there. Bradley.
Bumawi naman si Pacquiao sa ikalawang paghaharap nang tapusin nito ang laban sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision at nabawi nito ang kanyang titulo. Sa ikatlong paghaharap naman ay huling pagkakataonan ni Bradley na patunayan na kayang-kaya niyang tapusin ang karir ni Pacquiao. Bago magkaharap ay inanunsyo na ni Pacquiao na ang laban ito kontra kay Bradley ay ang magsisilbing huling laban nito bago ito magretiro.
I'm so happy hanging my gloves after this fight because of what I have done. You know, I'm sure I will feel sad after that, but you know, that's life.
Marami na din na nagdududa sa kakayahan ni Pacquiao dahil sa mga sinasabing distractions nito sa kanyang laban tulad na lamang ng injury na ininda nito sa huli nitong laban kontra kay Mayweather kung saan natalo siya sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision.
It's been 2 weeks I didn't, train good because of I didn't use my right hand. I cannot use my right hand, and
ang isa pang distraction ay ang politika kung saan pinasok na rin ni Manny Pacquiao ang paglilingkod sa kanyang kababayan. At ang nooy matinding pinag-uusapan sa buong mundo na komento nito tungkol sa LGBT community na ikinagalit ng marami sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo.
I apologize if I did something, but all I say is I'm against the same-sex marriage, but I'm not condemning you. My favorite verse is love one another.
Subalit sa kabila naman ng mga pagsubok na dumaan kay Pacquiao sa paghahanda nito sa laban kontra kay Bradley, ay napatunayan naman nito na walang makakatalo sa kanya kapag 100% ang focus nito sa kanyang laban. Ating balikan kung papaano tinapos si Pacquiao ang maningning na karir ng tinaguriang Desert Storm na si Timothy Bradley.
His ability and he won the fight tonight. Congratulations to Manny Pacquiao. Good job.
Sa unang round ay tila nagkakasukatan pa ang dalawa at nagpapakiramdaman kung ano ang daladalang game plan ng bawat isa.
Get caught by a vicious counterpunch.
Every day during training camp in the Philippines, something to win his game plan. So you're saying it's the relaxation of a man who is... Left hand lands down the middle for Pacquiao. Well, this might be what we call a feeling out round in round number 1.
Pagpasok ng round 2 ay parehong naging agresibo ang dalawa, subalit lumamang naman si Pacquiao sa mga suntok na kumukonekta.
The discussion of round 1 for what it's worth. Our unofficial ringside score, Harold Letterman, scored the round for Pacquiao. Pacquiao trying to drill the body shot by Bradley. Now Pacquiao tries to come back to the body.
Wings to the table. Use your feet for defense. Now,
Try to win rounds. In the old days, and maybe it has to do with the quality of the opponent, you could
Dodd as Pacquiao landed another left hand. Pacquiao again.
Tuloy-tuloy naman ang pag-atake ni Pacquiao sa round 3 kung saan gumagamit ito ng in and out movement para makaiwas sa mga counter ni Bradley.
Pacquiao. Pacquiao using his legs too to get him out of harm's way. And he just ended up.
But Pacquiao is a phenomenon. He's a different level of quick and athletic.
And he's a different level of
It's a very difficult fight. Don't think it was easy because he put punches tonight.
Just now.
hard right hand by Bradley.
Yes.
Pacquiao thinks about his jab. It's a
little unclear whether that's enough against Pacquiao.
Here's where Tim Bradley has to keep his focus and not get times in the fight that you won't be able to put a glove on Pacquiao. That's
Round 4 na magpakawala ng sunod-sunod na kombinasyon si Pacquiao, nakaramihan ay kumukonekta sa walang katakot-takot na si Bradley.
I get it, 2 rounds to 1, 29, 28. You know, he just backs him up and he lands good shots and he's got left. Timothy Bradley landed some nice shots around, brings him down, backs him up, and gets a good shot. See, backs him up, gets in a good left hit. See that? Again.
a lot more left hands from Pacquiao without the hook now, though. So, I mean, we still want to see it. Our problems.
Well, the right hook is the punch that Freddie Roach taught Pacquiao in the middle of his career. It was the punch that twice, after Morales had controlled him with the jab and beaten him in the first of their 3 fights, because
Their job much easier. Just take away the straight left hand, and there's less to worry about. Of course, the best laid plans of mice and men. I mean,
Pretty on it.
well, I think it's coming back moment by moment, though. There's a helping to set up the left hand that the rally was coming. Hard right hand by Bradley. Pacquiao wanted to get back at him.
Naging maganda naman ang unang minuto ni Bradley sa 5th round, subalit bahagyang nawala ito sa game plan sa huling minuto ng laban nang makipagsabayan ito ng palitan ng suntok kay Pacquiao.
But by the way, so is Manny Pacquiao. He's landed a total of 34 punches.
He's using tonight. Tonight he's using quality punches.
Atlas, of course.
Of course it is. Good left hand by Pacquiao.
Great left hand down the pipe by Manny Pacquiao.
Bradley having a much better round here.
You know, and I hate to say it, but once a good left uppercut by Bradley.
After a look,
Once I fought a guy and I beat his shoulder. And that may not have been a bad strategy.
the crowd begins to chant Manny, Manny. Takes a hard shot from Bradley and fires back with one of his own.
At that time, you get caught in an exchange with a puncher like Pacquiao. That's bad for you.
Yes, it is.
Pacquiao got the better of that exchange. Now Divac sees Pacquiao nearly doubling Bradley. And now they're trading fluidly. Pacquiao looks very comfortable firing away.
Napahiyaw naman ng mga manonood nang kumonekta ang counter punches at kombinasyon ni Pacquiao sa round 6.
Good hook by a guy that loves to trade. There's that hook again.
Let's go to Max Kellerman with Freddie Roach in Manny Pacquiao's corner.
Fourth round has he mentioned anything in the corner?
No.
Is Bradley showing you anything you hadn't anticipated?
Bradley, obviously very tough guy. But I know
Things that won him the first two fights in my opinion.
And in the beginning, it's more telegenic fight than the last one in which he appeared.
Edge off the intensity that has seemed to diminish his effectiveness. You hear it in the corner. He needs to maintain his intensity, not kind of admire his.
Sinamantala naman ni Pacquiao ang pagiging tamad sumuntok ni Bradley sa round 7, kung saan nagpapakawala ito ng mga kombinasyon habang umaatras si Bradley.
And Bradley covers up. Look, he backed him up and wrapped him with a good left hand.
So unorthodox in his attack.
And tonight, not tentative the way he looked against Floyd Mayweather.
No, he's very hungry tonight, and that's what you like.
30 seconds to go in this round, and this is a round in which Bradley is once again in danger of giving it up and losing the round to Pacquiao.
He needs a big shot somewhere in this fight to turn around to get the momentum back.
Bradley touches the canvas with his glove, and that's a knockdown. And that's going to create a 2-point round for Manny Pacquiao. When the glove touched the canvas, Tony Weeks stepped in and offered the count.
Nakabawi naman si Bradley sa round 8 nang bahagyan nitong mapaalog si Pacman at na-corner sa lubid.
Closer would still be a 4-point deficit.
Bradley is
With 5 rounds to go.
With a counter punch.
as was the case in the first 2 fights. Bradley's doing a lot of good things, but Pacquiao is just better so far.
Good right hand by Bradley.
When you're in there with Pacquiao, because you really can't tell exactly when he's coming for sure and when he's not. Oh,
Great left hand by Bradley. Pacquiao punch in the fight. And another left hook. And he may have hurt Pacquiao for the first time in their 3 fights together. Bradley has Pacquiao in trouble against the ropes. Now Pacquiao wants to answer back.
Umpisa pa lang ng round 9 ay ginulat na agad ni Bradley si Pacquiao na magpakawala ito ng solid na power punches na bahagyan nagpaatras kay Pacman.
Bradley chasing him.
do that by waiting on Pacquiao because he's going to catch you sooner or later if you wait on it.
Hard right hand by Bradley. Pacquiao lands the left inside. Is rising as he tries to rally in the fight.
Subalit pagdating naman ng huling minuto ay agad na nakabawi si Pacquiao.
An effective 1-2. Nice hook.
Hard left hand by Pacquiao.
That hurt Bradley.
Yeah, that's a good punch.
And now they're chanting Pacquiao, Pacquiao.
Pagdating naman ng round 10 ay tila hindi pa din nagbabago ang kondisyon ni Pacquiao na patuloy sa pagbabato ng mabibilis na suntok kasabay ng napakabilis na footwork.
Talk seriously. He has committed to this fight. He has put in the work despite all campaign, shoulder surgery, lost 14,665 spectators in the arena for what Manny Pacquiao said would be his last fight. Straight left hand for Pacquiao. Straight left hand for Pacquiao.
Fighting, it's just...
Sa kabila naman ng malaking kalamangan ni Pacquiao sa scorecard ay hindi pa din nababahala si Bradley kung saan mukhang wala itong plano na subukang in-knockout si Pacquiao para manalo.
Good right hand for Bradley. Good left hand for Pacquiao.
Good round like Teddy asked for.
Yep. I think that's good advice in the corner. Bradley, not a punch.
Pagdating sa round 12 ay sinisigaw na ng mga tao ang pangalan ni Pacquiao na tila gusto ng mga ito na in-knockout si Bradley bago pa matapos ang laban.
Now he looks like he wants to get aggressive.
Far cry from what happened against Floyd Mayweather 11 months ago. This has been a spirited performance all the way for Pacquiao, and he built it from round to round. First few rounds were tentative, feeling each other out, and then Pacquiao began to throw thunderous counters. Oh, seemed to be a fortunate knockdown of Bradley. And a couple rounds after that, he got the real one. And the real one probably ended the competitive issue. Manny Pacquiao, one of the glorious wins of his career.
Buong laban na dinominan ni Pacquiao si Timothy Bradley at tinuldukan ng kanilang trilogy sa score na 2 win at 1 loss. Subalit maituturing naman na 3-0 ang kartada ni Pacquiao dahil marami ang naniniwala maging ang mga boxing experts na si Pacquiao ang tunay na panalo sa una nilang paghaharap. Nagtapos ang laban sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision at nakuha ni Pacquiao ang WBO International Welterweight title. Matapos ang dalawang sunod na talo kay Pacquiao ay nagretiro na si Bradley na may record na 33 wins with 2 losses. Habang si Pacquiao naman ay nauna nang nag-anunsyo ng kanyang pagre-retiro ay muling bumalik sa ibabaw ng lona makalipas lamang ang 7 buwan kung saan tinalo nito si Jesse Vargas at nakuha ang WBO Welterweight title.